Okay, we paddled out to the Baltimore Light from the Little Magothy River. And a shout out to Audra for giving us a guest pass to launch from their community beach. Appreciate that. And we are at the Baltimore Light. Turn around so you can see it. There it is. Yeah, it's pretty old. It was built in 1908. And actually in 1964, it became...
We're getting married today.
Oh, good luck. Good luck. Takes all kinds. Anyway, where was I? Okay. Yeah, this lighthouse was built in 1908. And in 1964, it became the first lighthouse in America to be nuclear powered. And I don't know if it's still nuclear powered today. I doubt it. I see there's a solar panel up there. But it is pretty cool. And it was a bit of a hike to paddle out here, but worth it. I'm gonna try to catch a few fish while I'm out here too. I managed to catch a small rockfish and a small bluefish trolling on the way over here. But yeah, this is pretty cool, interesting. Anyway. Yeah, I did have somebody with me. She kind of drifted away. And there is the Bay Bridge. I wouldn't mind paddling over there either, but you know what? It's Labor Day weekend, and it's only 8 o'clock in the morning, so we're able to get away with this in a kayak, but it's gonna get crazy out here later with all the boat traffic. It's supposed to be a beautiful day. So I'll be getting out of Dodge before that all that nonsense happens. Anyway, just wanted to make a little video of this place. Thought it was pretty cool, and see you later.